Welcome to the Learning Zone with Miss Beachley, Miss Hall, and Miss Bates. Hello everyone, welcome to the Learning Zone with Miss Hall. Today is Friday, and you're supposed to wear your school colors today, so make sure you take pictures and send them to your teachers. Alright, so we have one less word problem for this week, so let's get started. So same steps as yesterday. For mine, I have to right click and click open with Cami. And then it'll open up as a PDF. And then at the top, it's going to say open with, and you have some options. And we're going to click open with, annotate with Cami. Alright, so when it opens up, it should look like this. And if you open it up in a Word document, it should also look like this. All right, so word problem for today is Kendra and JoJo are counting their marbles. Kendra has 38 and JoJo has 62. Kendra says they have 100 marbles altogether, but JoJo says they have 90. Use words, numbers, or a model to prove who is correct. So with this, you can use any of the skills you have learned so far this week. You can use the place value chart. You can use the written method or the vertical method. So let's get started. I'm going to use the drawing tool. So let's see. Kendra has 38. I'm going to write a K for Kendra. She has 38. And JoJo has 62. So I'm just going to put right here that Kendra said she thinks they have 100. And JoJo thinks they have 90. So we have to figure out who is correct. So what we can do is I can do the vertical method. So I can do 38 plus 62 and make sure my numbers are lined up. So we have our ones place and our tens place. So we have 8 plus 2 is 10. So again, ones place, tens place. My 0 goes in my ones place, and I have to carry my 1 to my tens place. You have 6 plus 3 is 9, plus this 1 gives me 10. So remember that is 10 tens, and 10 tens equals 100. So 0 in the tens place, and the 1 right next to it. If you wanted to use a place value chart, hundreds, tens, and ones. So 38, you have 8 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. So 38. Then for 62, you have 2 ones, and you have 6 tens. 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we count, we know that that's 8, 9, 10. Remember, we have 10, we have to bundle our 10 and move it over. So we know we have nothing left in our ones place, so that's a 0. And then we know that this down here is 6, so 7, 8, 9, 10, another 10. So we have to bundle, move it over to the hundreds place. And we have nothing left in our tens place, so that's going to be a 0. And we have 100, and we put a 1. So you see, we got 100 for both answers. So when we go back at the top, who said it? Kendra said she thought it was right. So Kendra would be correct. JoJo was close, like 90 is close to 100. But Kendra was close. So if you want to write that in words, because it says you can use words, numbers, or a model. So we use a model, we use numbers, and words we can put 38 plus 62 equals 100, which means that Kendra was correct. And that's it. Like, if you want to explain all the steps you did, you can. If you want to put that in words, so you can do 8 plus 2 is 10. You have to put the 0, carry the 1, and then 6 plus 3 is 9, plus the 1 is 10. And you put that there, and then you have 100. So it's up to you. You can use numbers, words, or a model. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to myself, Ms. Beachley, and we will be glad to help you. And happy Friday! We made it through our first week of online teaching. See you guys next week.